What are you supposed to do with a feral cat? With a wild cat that's roaming the neighborhood? Hi everybody, it's Rebecca Brand, and I have a new co-star. I have this feral cat that I found in my yard. His name is Mao Mao, and I'm just gonna make him lunch and feed him lunch. Mao Mao, look at this. The cat has rejected my cooking. I guess the cat doesn't think I'm a very good cook. That's why cats are cats. You can't tell a cat what to do. Cats can do what it wants to do. It doesn't always want to be with me, although I know the cat loves me. I know Mao Mao is not camera shy. I was filming a video. I was taking a little nap. And all of a sudden it became a cat nap because the cat wanted to be on the camera with me. The cat wanted to jump up in bed and have me snuggle it and hold it as I was filming a video. And I said, why not? It was a perfect day for a little cat nap. It was bright outside, but I wanted to take a nap. So I put an eye mask over my eyes and I took a little nap with the kitty. It was too bright. I needed the eye mask. Mao Mao and I truly do love each other, which did not come about overnight. There was a time before Mao Mao and I became friends when Mao Mao would kind of take over my kitchen and jump on my counters. I mean, this cat was not house trained. I really don't want a cat on my counter unless for a special purpose like trying to feed her lunch today. And I really didn't think this was a house cat because the cat's outside. Mao Mao kept coming into my house before it was really an adopted cat by me. So whenever the doors are opened in my house, which is often, Mao Mao will come in and out. Now, I didn't take this video. I didn't see the cat inside, but someone that worked with me got the video of the cat. And when I figured out the cat was in my house more often than I knew I had to be worried about fleas. So I'd get the kitty cat flea drops. And then I felt better about the cat being in the house. I had seen Mao Mao for a long time in my backyard. I have a big backyard, and I was thrilled to have Mao Mao there because I have gophers, I've got everything. And Mao Mao and I just get along really well. She really is a feral cat, but actually I don't even know if it's a girl or a boy at this point. In fact, I was actually going to do the test here on the counter. And see, that didn't work out. She had to get away. I appreciate Mao Mao's independence. I think she's single like me. You just go where you want to go, when you want to go, no commitments. My whole plan was to make lunch for Kitty Cat, and we would have lunch together. And it's been done on other occasions. I know Mao Mao loves chicken, and one of the things I like to do with Mao Mao is make us lunch. And today it's going to be a simple chicken fillet cooked in butter. So I turn my burner on medium high and melt the butter. The cat likes the butter. Sometimes the cat will lick the butter. If I have soft butter at a table, the cat will lick the butter. And I'm going to swish the butter around. And when it comes to a sizzle, oh, I think that's enough butter. I think I was overdoing it on the butter. The butter's going to come out and the chicken is going to go in. And for filet this size, it's really going to take about 4 minutes to cook. So I have time to play my June's Journey. This is a game I found that is so cool. It is so vintage. I'm really retro in my style and what I love to watch on TV. So June's Journey is the game for me. It's really relaxing. It's a great thing to do when you're cooking, when you're waiting for things to happen, because it makes the time go by so much faster. It was so much fun. All of the retro stuff is so pretty. So when you're playing the game, you're seeing old photographs and you're hearing a story. There's a lot of love, intrigue. It's a murder mystery as well. And so you get to be the one that figures out all of the murders and the mysteries and things like putting things away, which can be so relaxing. There's so many different sets and scenes. Finding objects. It's a game full of every element of the most fun of games. I can get so involved I can forget to flip my chicken, which now is time to flip the chicken. And apparently it's a little too hot. Time to turn it down. The game was so fun, I didn't even notice. One thing I love is the diversity of the characters in June's Journey. Especially the girl with the peacock outfit. She's a kick. The secrets of what's going on with those people are too deep to tell. June's Journey is 1920s vintage worldwide. This one scene is at the Louvre. I actually went to the Louvre on vacation. And the artwork is exactly like the Louvre. The architecture is the same. So when I'm playing the game and retrieving all these objects and getting all these points, I'm actually there at the Louvre. It's beautiful, colorful artwork. With the score, then you get all these other bonuses. I don't always play perfectly, but for demonstration purposes, I sure did. It's just a great game. And there's levels of the game. So with a win streak, I get a boost and I go to the next level and I get more and more points. I keep winning and it increases my score multiplier. This is so cool. It has a dialogue. Alrighty, here we go. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so much fun, and the sets are so cool. Yes! I'm having a little party in my whole head enjoying this game. June's Journey is so much fun. And I got a bird. I'm into birds. And then I can pause it when I need to finish my recipe or do something else, which is a great thing. Click the link to get your free app of June's Journey. It's so much fun. It's right in my description box. Okay, back to lunchtime with Kitty Cat. And to check if it's done, I just tap it. I want a firmness to it. It's done. Time to transfer. But sometimes things just don't go the way you planned them. I love Mao Mao, and I want to include her in my videos. I wanted you to meet her. Didn't go so well the way I want to introduce her, but that's life. Click the link below and get June's Journey. It's a great game. It's so much fun and so relaxing, especially in times in life where things just don't go the way you plan, like when you're doing a video with a cat. I think I'm going to sign off now. Subscribe to my channel. I'm Rebecca Vran, and let's keep making great recipes together. And today's recipe is chicken that, I like it. I think it turned out. I think I'm going to go over here and play June's Journey and just settle down. Lost my cat. Bye. If you like this video, here's a cat food recipe with my previous kitty cat, Tygo, who got eaten by a wolf. I miss her. Right there.